Have you ever thought that we can make a cool CC without a plugin? Hello guys, my name is Nikhil and today I'll show you that how we can make a cool CC without using any plugin. Yes, we'll use only the effect that is required by After Effects. But before that, if you want my 10 plus CCs, then download it from the below GP link. And the file is password protected, so watch the full video to get the password, and you'll get the password by card. So watch the video carefully to get card. Wait, and the card can be appeared at any time. So now let's start our tutorial. So your CC is done. What we have done in it is, as you can see, the side by side CC. What we have done, we have made it this to this. So that's it for the tutorial, and if you want the CC, just go into the description. And thanks to Zyfrix FX to comment a wish that he want a tutorial, and if you want more tutorial like this, just comment down and I'll meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.